Hello guys,
Owned
welcome
gun.
back to Demons Case Place. Today we are gonna be playing Roblox. I'm in the A blocks. Krish, you there?
Yeah, I am there.
And I'm here with one of my other friends, Kushop. Kushop, Krish is Kushop there?
I don't know.
Go and check.
He is in the game,
Oh
but
yeah,
I
he's in the
don't.
game. He just killed me. I mean he assisted someone to kill me. That means he's in the game. And guys, we are playing game blocks. If you don't know this game, you can try it out. Oh, I just saw Kushop. Here, boy. What just
I have
happened?
an epic
Oh, it's the
sniper.
own guns game. I thought this wasn't the own guns. This is the
Me
own
too.
guns.
Yeah,
Oh
that's the bad
no.
thing.
Guys, I have a short range gun, so this is gonna be frustrating because people have long range guns with good fire rate and good
Monica
damage.
is in our team. Something.
Go die, Kushup. Who is Oh, Monica, the MVP player. Okay, okay. Oh,
Yeah.
what? How did he snipe me from a mid-range gun from that far? Easily, in one shot head. That's not even possible. What? Died. Okay, then. Is you there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I killed someone
Kushop.
in midair. I killed someone in midair. Kushop, you there?
Kushop. I assist.
He is muted. I guess. I didn't
No,
see
no.
that.
I was killing Kushop.
Go and check if he's muted.
I can't. I'm in a game.
In the game, not a...
Hello.
Yeah, Kushop, why weren't you speaking? Kushop? Why weren't you speaking? You good?
No.
Then why? What? Why aren't
Said
you good?
no.
Why aren't you good?
No.
Okay. Where? Oh no! Okay, I'm dead.
I have a good gun.
Oh my gosh! I killed Kushop from so far from a close range gun. How? Oh, Kushop got headshot from me. Yes, he did.
Why are you so happy to kill me?
Because you are not speaking. That's why. Bro. $10 for bro. What? What is this?
Squid Games was hiding and killed.
Nah, he was
He
no, he
killed.
was not hiding. I saw him clearly.
Ah, you just.
Mr. Beast. Oh, there's a Mr. Beast in this
Oh,
game.
that was so close. I was about.
Monica.
And like, yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very
Oh
much.
no,
Where
my
are you?
gun
Just tell me.
changed and I
Okay,
can't
someone
kill.
won. Someone won already.
Monica.
And guys, if
Monica.
you don't know, we all are noobs in this game. We just started today. And in the morning we played some and I reached silver. Yes, silver second. Kushop is silver one. And what are you, Krish?
Iron 2. I'm going to be Iron 3.
Yeah, okay. Two
2.
teams. No. Oh, it's own guns and two teams. No, 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 no.
Why owned guns? I hate
Can
owned
third?
guns.
Why? Why?
That's okay.
My P90 is
You
epic.
suck.
I know that, but it's
Same
still
here.
close range, so I can't kill wrong.
My sniper is epic.
Kills are epic.
Can't I buy some guns?
You can, you can. I also bought my
How?
P90. I also bought my P90 epic.
How? From where?
There's a crate you can buy, which will give you anything
From where?
from the hub. I mean hub,
Where is the hub?
where you
My
sit
God,
in
I'm
the
lagging so bad.
Airship.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I saw Kushop being killed by Monica.
I am in the blue
Kushop
team.
die.
It's lagging so bad. I'm getting like 900 ms.
Okay. Oh, go to wow. I'm a
I'm
hype
just
player.
behind you.
I'm a hype player.
Hey, dude.
Just
Hi
behind you,
boys.
Karthik.
Die.
Getting 3000
Hi boys.
ms.
I got
Oh,
2
how did
assists.
Kushop? How didn't Kushop die? What? Okay, I got assist
I'm
as a
getting
kill.
300 MS.
That's good for
Literally
you.
getting 3000 MS.
Hee.
Can't we get
I'm
heals
stuck.
in
I'm stuck.
this
I'm
game?
stuck. If we go away from people, we can heal on our own. Why am
Like
I just
paladins.
spamming my gun? Why am I just spamming my gun?
I don't want to play this
Assist
game
as a kill.
anymore.
Okay.
It's lagging like hell.
Plus $10 for assist as a kill. Okay. Krish, I am behind you. If you die, I will help you. Kushop is coming. No, it's someone else. Okay, they both helped.
He killed me.
Yeah, they also killed me.
Will help me
Kushop, you are in
getting
Kushop,
the
opposite
where
team. We
are
won't
you?
help you.
Just get me a good Wi-Fi. That will help me.
You can get it on your own.
I thought Monica was our rival.
Oh, that. Oh my god.
Cause her skin is like that.
Okay.
Uh, it
Baka.
have red
Baka. Wow.
boundaries.
Why? I was gonna hide because my health was low.
Oh no.
Okay, dude. I'm getting
Headshot.
killed by a pistol user.
I headshotted Baka and two people just.
Where are you, Kushop? I
I
can't
don't know
see
where I
you.
am. Okay, Kushop is front on me. I was just gonna kill Kushop if this match didn't ended by me. Okay, Monica is second as
He's
expected.
not the own king. Not the
I am on
own
iron
king.
3, yeah.
Okay, I am on a good position actually. Kushop and Krish are not.
Rest in peace, me. RIP me. RIP my life.
Kushop, you there?
Game. No.
Kushop, you there?
Free for
No.
all.
Okay, he's not there. Just kick him.
Aim City, Aim City. Chal.
Aim City
Let's go Aim City.
is yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
What did we get? Space snipers, not this. I hate this one.
Only snipers.
And yes, and we have to do it while flying in the air. Why me? Krish, why did you kill me for no reason? Why did I got 0 kills? I just killed him, I thought. Okay.
No scope headshot and he still didn't die. Never make any sense.
Okay, my game just lagged that I killed him by not even seeing him. How? What? I didn't even hit him. How did? Oh, someone gets. Okay, Doraemon killed me. Oh, Krish, there's a Doraemon in this game. Go meet him.
You meet him, you are the Nobita.
I'm not the Nobita.
Oh my god.
I killed Kushop.
Okay, dude.
I
Bad
sniped
for me,
you
bro.
mid-air.
Bad boy.
So you're telling me a crossbow is a sniper?
Yes. And crossbows on also one shot. And I died.
Ah,
Oh, finally. And I died. Yay.
I am really good in air sniping.
Yay. Actually, I got assist as kill. That's good for me. Okay, I got the crossbow. Yay. Oh, yes.
Game makes no sense.
Crossbow.
Raghav,
Okay, who win?
Game
Who
makes
won?
zero sense.
Big potato couch. I
Won't
expected
even
that. I
die.
actually expected that big potato couch is gonna win.
People won't even die if they get headshot by a sniper.
it's connected now.
Oh yes, I'm silver 3. I'm silver 3. Yes.
Nice.
Kushop. Oh, Krish. Okay, you both were better than me in this game.
I am finally better.
Yay.
Game. FFA,
Gun game, free for
Bastion.
all, and
I
Zanzibar.
lied. I lied that. Air snipe.
Oh, it's known as space snipers. Oh, not this. I wanted free for all, so I could kill Krish and Kushop. And what is this? Gun game. Okay, okay. I'm okay with that. And I got
Me too.
crossbow in the first time. Yeah.
Me too.
Black.
Oh yes.
Big potato is in our team.
Big potato cops, right?
I can't even
Oh
spawn
no!
in.
Why didn't I hit him? Okay, I got dragon off.
I am on 0 kills because I can't see anybody around me.
I am on top. How? Why? Okay, I'm not now.
You are second, but I'm not even second, bro. I'm not even
Now I am
on the
fifth. Now I am
leaderboard.
sixth.
I am not even on the leaderboard, bro.
That's goody good. Kushop die. Yes.
Keep-
This is how I die.
Yes,
Being
sir.
in the void.
Okay,
At the end of
sir.
the story.
I'm second. I'm second. I'm actually second, and I died.
I can't kill anybody with
Okay, I
this
fell out of the
bow.
map. I don't know why, but I did.
Sniper.
This crossbow. Like,
That was easy.
what the hell, bro?
Krish, you are in my team, and Kushop is not.
Kushab, please let me kill you. I don't want
Please
this
let me
crossbow.
kill you.
Kushop is.
Oh my god.
I
just
will also
want-
let you kill
Oh,
me
yeah.
if you let me kill you. I
Okay,
got
that's a deal, I guess.
P90 now. Oof. I got a P90. I don't want to kill you now for free. I will kill you.
Oh, I got
Anyway.
a shotgun name. Nothing. Its
I
name is
got an
Shotgun.
assist.
Why? Why its name is Shotgun? What?
Cause it's the shotgun, bro.
No, shotguns have name too. Why does this not have?
I know. I am just saying that. Kushab, let me kill you. I will let you kill me. Wanna deal?
I'm on Twin Demons.
This guy just spawns right next
The Squid
to me.
Game guard is name. What's the
Hello.
name of that Squid Game guard?
Name
I don't
Pablo.
know. I don't know. I don't wanna know.
Pablo. Like what?
What does it even mean?
No, yeah.
Don't know.
5-7.
Legacy
I got
Belga.
5-7. I got 5-7. Okay. Oh, I thought he was a player who. Oh, Pablo
This
killed me.
was
Pablo
pretty
killed me.
good.
Me too.
Never mind.
I am on a
Dead.
sniper. Kushop, let me kill you,
I'm on a
please.
pistol. Let me
I will
kill
let-
you. Let me kill you. I will let you kill me.
Yeah.
Never mind. Pablo killed me, and you can come and kill me now. Oh no, Krish, we are in the same team. Lol.
I am saying it to Kushop, but he is not listening.
Kushop, let me get a kill too. I will give you one. I don't. Oh, Kushop is trying to kill me. Okay, boy.
How does it be
I
died
had
with a
shot someone with
shotgun?
my. I had shotted someone with my pistol in one shot. What?
I have AK 103 now.
I have 9 mm. What?
9 mm of what?
Okay, just game, just
Okay,
game.
okay, when
One
are
minute.
you? When are you?
Monica won.
Kill me.
Monica.
You kill me, quick.
Why? How can I kill you now? What are you saying? Silver 3, okay. Last. Okay, guys, so this is. After this is the last match we're gonna do. Kushop is lower than me. Krish is lower than me. Okay, that's good.
A good game
I
mode.
only have 4 kills. What
GG.
do you expect
Own
from
guns.
me?
I'm gonna this time own guns.
Please,
Free for
gun
all.
me.
And
Space sniper.
Zanzibar.
Space
And Zanzibar.
sniper.
Not
Space
Snake
sniper.
Sniper.
Please, just
Do
not
whatever you
that
want.
own
Don't get
gun.
Space Snipers. Did we get Space
What's
Snipers?
it?
Oh, finally
Gun game.
free
Yes,
for all.
yes.
Let's go.
I got it.
Yes, first kill.
Die, just die. I come.
Kushop, your
Never
voice is
mind, you
breaking.
died anyway.
It's a fill for all.
Well, that's because I'm lagging.
Okay.
It's a free for all,
Okay,
bro.
okay. Why me? Why me? Why me?
Somebody third partied me. I was killing Kushop.
Oh,
Oi.
Kushop getting targeted.
Pablo is just dominating me for no reason. Hi, Adhan, I'm
Pablo,
recording a video.
so what? Okay, bye.
Why?
I guess somebody 37 damage. Assist at kill.
Why me? Why me?
Kushop sniped me. I have a heavy sniper, bro.
Three, I
You have a
guess.
heavy sniper bow? What does that mean?
Bro, I said bro. Can't you hear?
Kushop died.
Wasn't paying attention. Literally just spawned next to me. How am I even supposed
Pablo
to
is
know?
destroying someone. I just saw it on the, what do you call it, leaderboard or something. Why did I got it assist as a kill? I
Okay,
gave him so much
dude.
damage. That's not fair. But
Somebody killed you in front of me. I am going to take your revenge.
Like, okay, now.
I don't know why did I miss so many shots with one sniper.
Ish, wait. Where are you going? Okay, thank you.
Karthik, I will let you kill me.
You're
Let
not.
me kill you.
You are in my team, Krish. I think.
This
It's
is
a
free
free
for all,
for all.
bro.
Oh, it's free for all. Oh, I forgot that.
That's why I said that.
Ah, that's a pretty good.
Somebody is hitting me from the back.
Oh,
Why
Backstabber.
third party me, bro? Why? Why?
Yes, I killed him.
Who? Why? When? Where?
not the crossbow. Not the
I'm on the
crossbow.
pistol.
Not the crossbow.
Kushop didn't even get one shot from my sniper because he was so close to me.
Right.
50 headshot.
Lol.
And this
Kushop, just let me kill you.
Goddamn.
Just let me kill you already. I just want to
No.
win this game. Okay.
Oh, I
Okay
killed
guys, so
Krish.
this is
I
the
feel
end of the
happy.
video. I
I
hope you
feel so
enjoyed.
happy.
Like and subscribe to my channel.
happy.
Goodbye.